Yesterday the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals declined to reinstate Donald Trump's travel ban. In doing so, they raised the ire of Ben Stein, who has a rather disturbing warning we should be aware of. The Constitution has been dealt a body blow, according to Stein. Never before has the authority of a president been superseded by a court in this manner. Ever since George Washington started his journey as this nation's first president, the Commander-in-Chief has had final control over immigration. The fact this court thought they could throw out the president's order is very concerning. The court believes it is more important than the U.S. Constitution. Those activists, judges, inexperienced lawyers, and liberal attorney generals might love the limelight, but they could learn a thing or two from Alan Dershowitz. I think there's an enormous difference between disapproving of policy which I disapprove of and concluding it is unconstitutional, which I think is a much harder question, Dershowitz said. Whether this is unconstitutional is not a simple question, particularly as it applies to people who currently have no connection to the United States, that is, somebody who is not a green card holder who is just seeking a visa to come visit the United States. It may well be constitutional in regard to any such people. Via Newsmax, Dershowitz definitely agreed with Stein that the language of the order might have contributed to the challenges it has faced, but that doesn't mean the judges had the right to shut it down. It would appear as though our judges need a lesson in what our Constitution allows the president to do and put their own persona agendas on hold. Besides falsely challenging the constitutionality of the order, liberals also believe the ban will have a negative impact on the war on terror. To his credit, Dershowitz disagrees with this, calling it ideologically rooted and perhaps overstated. Muslims in other countries already despise America, which is the reason this ban is needed so badly. Until we can get the vetting situation rectified, we need to put the entire country on lockdown. Are we going to allow our presidents, of both the present and the future, the power to do their job? If they issue an executive order that they believe will make our country better or safer, are we going to allow them to do it? If the Ninth Circuit has something to say about it, apparently not. Sadly, this court is being given far more power than it deserved to wield, and that is the reality conservative Americans are facing right now. From Angry Patriot, it's News Exposed signing off.